Hello guys, bem-vindos à nossa videoaula. Bom, como vocês viram na última aula, na nossa página 35, nós vimos uns new contents sobre a cough, a rash, a toothache, a headache. Lembram disso? To feel sick? Yes? Good. Então hoje nós vamos fazer esse novo new content da página 36, ok? Então, eu vou repetir, vocês repitam aí na casa de vocês, ok? As palavras. Então, vamos acompanhando. New content. A cash point. A cash machine. A cash till. A check. A bill. To withdraw. A discount. ATM. To take out. To borrow, to lend, a note, a receipt, change. Okay? So in this new content, guys, we are talking about money. Yes? Money and banks, things like that. So the first words, a cash point, a cash machine, and an ATM, they are all the same thing, okay? They all mean one thing, okay? A cash point is British and an ATM is American. ATM stands for automatic teller machine, okay? What is an ATM? Okay? So, you need to take out some money, okay? You need, I need 100 reais, for example, okay? So I go to the bank, and I go to an ATM or a cash point to take out my money, okay? I can put my credit card in the machine, and then I put my password, and then it gives me the money I want, okay? So an ATM is a machine that stays in banks. We use it to pay bills, for example, or to take money, okay? I have an image. This is an ATM, okay? This is an ATM, yes? Very good. So a cash till is a different thing. When you go to the supermarket, for example, and you are going to pay for your things, you know, you buy food, you buy a lot of things, you're going to pay, and then it's a cash register, okay? It's when the person that works in the supermarket, they keep their money, okay? So, you need change, for example. So the person goes, they open this machine, they take your change and give it to you, okay? I have another image. This is a cash till, okay? This one is a cash till, yes? Is where people keep the money in establishments, in shops, in supermarkets, yes? Good? A check. This is written exactly like it is in Portuguese, yes? A check is a piece of paper that you write the quantity of money you want to pay, yes? Good? A check. People rarely use checks nowadays. We use more credit cards, right? But checks still exist. You can put any amount of money in a check, okay, to pay for something, yes? For example, I'm going to buy something from you, and then I can ask, do you take check? Can I make a check? And then I will write on this piece of paper, and I'll give it to you. Yes, this is a check. It's not money. It's a piece of paper with the amount of money I want to give you. Okay, this is a check. A bill can have two meanings. Bills can be notes of money, like for example a dollar bill. Yes, this is a dollar bill. They are money notes. Or a bill can mean a law. okay? So a bill, it's a proposal for a new law or for to change an already existing law, okay? This is a bill, yes? It can mean a new law or a proposal, an idea to change a law that already exists, okay? It can also mean money, okay? Money in paper, notes. Yes? Good? These are bills. To withdraw, we use withdraw a lot with money in this context. For example, I need 50 reais, okay? I really need 50 reais, I need to buy something, but I don't have it here with me. So I'm going to an ATM or a cash point, yes, or a cash machine, yes, and I will withdraw some money, okay? I will take away, I will take out, okay? I will withdraw the money from the machine, okay? So a discount is when something costs less than it was before, okay? So for example, this t-shirt is very expensive, I can't pay for it. But now there is a discount, so now it's cheaper, okay? Yes? When something is cheaper than it was before, okay? When something costs less than it costed before, okay? This is a discount. To take out, for example, to take out is like to withdraw, yes? I have it written here. To take out is to remove something, okay? For example, I'm going to take out some money because I need it. So I'm going to an ATM machine and I will take out or I will withdraw some money, okay? That's it. To borrow and to lend. So these are similar concepts but different, okay? To lend is when you give something to someone, okay? So if you need a pencil, for example, oh yes, I have a pencil, I'm going to lend to you, okay? To lend is when you give to someone, okay? So for example, you don't have a pencil, or you are going to ask me for a pencil, and then you are going to say, can you lend me this pencil? Yes? Então, to lend é emprestar. E to borrow is when you take it, okay? Então, to borrow, pegar emprestado. Yes? Okay? Good? I am borrowing this pencil from you, okay? You are borrowing this pencil from me, okay? Yes? A note in this context is money, yes? Money in notes. We have 10 reais notes, we have 2 reais notes, we have 100 reais notes, okay? So it's notes of money, okay? The next one, a receipt. When you buy something, especially something very expensive, you need a receipt. A receipt is something that will tell you that you bought this, okay? So a receipt is a piece of paper that tells you that you bought something, okay? When you buy, for example, a whiteboard like this, it's not very expensive, right? But for example, you bought this whiteboard, yes? And then the person that sold you is going to give you a receipt, okay? A receipt is a piece of paper that tells you that you indeed paid for something, okay? Yes, you paid for something, you bought this, okay? This is a receipt. Good? And a change, in this context, you've already seen change, like to make changes, yes? But in this context, change is the money that is left, okay? For example, I'm going to pay for some ice cream. The ice cream costs 5 reais. What if I hand to you a 10 reais note? You need to give me 5 reais back. Yes? This money you give back to me is a change. Okay? So, oh, I don't have any change. I'm sorry. Okay? Posso pagar em bala? É isso. Okay? Alright, so this is the new content, is about money. Good? Simple. So guys, let's repeat, okay? With me, come on. We can call a machine which gives money a cash point, a cash machine, or an ATM in English.
We can call a machine which gives money a cash point, a cash machine, or an ATM in English.
Sometimes people need to borrow money to buy a car or a house.
Sometimes people need to borrow money to buy a car or a house.
Her brother lent her his cell phone yesterday, but now she has forgotten where it is.
Her brother lent her his cell phone yesterday, but now she has forgotten where it is.
You can take out your money in a bank or at an ATM.
You can take out your money in a bank or at an ATM.
When I don't have money, I withdraw more from the cash point next to my house.
When I don't have money, I withdraw more from the cash point next to my house.
It is common in some cultures to ask for a discount in shops.
It is common in some cultures to ask for a discount in shops.
Next page. Where do you prefer to withdraw money from?
I prefer to withdraw money at an ATM.
Can we still pay our bill with a check in some restaurants?
Yes, we can still pay our bill with a check in some restaurants, but it is rare.
Does a library borrow people books?
No, a library doesn't borrow people books, but it lends people books.
What do we normally receive when we pay for something?
When we pay for something, we normally receive change and a receipt.
If you bought a new phone, would you like to receive a discount?
Yes, if I bought a new phone, I would like to receive a discount.
Can you take your notebook out of your bag now?
No, I can't take my notebook out of my bag now.
Would you lend me your pen if I asked you?
Yes, I would lend you my pen if you asked me.
When is the traditional time that shops give big discounts in the UK?
The traditional time that shops give big discounts in the UK is on the 26th December.
Do dog owners need to take their dogs out for walks?
Yes, dog owners need to take their dogs out for walks.
Can you take out coins from an ATM?
No, you can't take out coins for an ATM, but you can take out notes.
Where can I pay for clothes in a shop?
You can pay for clothes in a shop at a cash till.
If you went to a library, what type of book would you borrow?
If I went to a library, I would borrow a romance book.
Have you ever lent any money to a friend or a family member?
Yes, I have lent some money to a friend.
If you had $50 and went to an expensive restaurant, would you go home with much change?
No, if I had $50 and went to an expensive restaurant, I would not go home with much change.
Have you ever taken out money from a cash machine at a supermarket?
Yes, I have taken out money from a cash machine at a supermarket before.
If you go to a shop to buy a new sweater, do you ask for a discount?
No, if I go to a shop to buy a new sweater, I don't ask for a discount.
Do you make many notes in your book during the lesson?
Yes, I make many notes in my book during the lesson.
Very good, guys. Então, estudem aí na casa de vocês, beleza? Se vocês não souberem de alguma coisa, por favor, podem pesquisar, ok? O importante é vocês terem certeza, tá? Então, nos vemos na próxima aula.